Thinking about moving to Spain? You're not alone. Every year, thousands of Americans trade fast-paced days for sunshine, good food, and a slower, richer way of life. But before you can sip that first café con leche on your terrace, there's a process. One that's simple, when you know the right steps. At SDC International Shipping, we help families, professionals, and retirees make that move from the United States to Spain every single day. Here's how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Define your move. Before anything else, ask yourself what kind of life you're building in Spain. Are you retiring on the coast, working remotely, or relocating your family long-term? Your answers determine which visa, shipping plan, and budget make the most sense. Once you know your goals, everything else falls into place. Step 2. Choose the right visa. Spain offers several paths for Americans. There's the non-lucrative visa for retirees, the digital nomad visa for remote professionals, and the golden visa for investors. Each one has different income requirements and timelines. Start your visa process at least 3 to 6 months before your move, and check your nearest Spanish consulate for exact requirements. Need a head start? Visit our detailed Spain visa guide at movertospain.com. Step 3. Plan your shipping. Now it's time to think about what you'll bring and how it'll get there. At SDC International Shipping, we handle everything from professional packing and container shipping to customs clearance and delivery. We offer full container and groupage options, so you only pay for the space you need. Your relocation specialist will help you plan the best route, handle paperwork, and track your shipment from your home in the US all the way to your new address in Spain. Learn more about your options at movertospain.com. Step 4. Understand customs and documents. Spain's customs process is straightforward when you're prepared. You'll need your passport, a detailed inventory list, and customs forms. SDC handles these for you, making sure your shipment clears quickly and legally. We also help you avoid restricted or taxable items, saving you time and stress at the port. Step 5. Secure your home in Spain. Whether you're renting or buying, try to line up your housing before your shipment arrives. Spring and autumn are the best seasons for availability and value. If you're unsure where to start, cities like Valencia, Malaga, and Seville are favorites among US expats, affordable, walkable, and full of local charm. Step 6. Set up your new life. Once you arrive, you'll need to handle a few essentials: getting your NIE number, opening a bank account, registering your address, and setting up utilities and healthcare. Don't worry, it's all part of the adventure. Spain moves at a slower rhythm, but once you adjust, you'll see why people fall in love with life here. We even have a full post on this topic, Setting Up Life in Spain. You can find it on our website at movertospain.com. Step 7. Settle in and enjoy. After the move, the boxes and the paperwork, take a breath. You made it. Go for a walk in your new neighborhood, meet your neighbors, order tapas, stay for dessert, and don't rush, because in Spain, life is meant to be lived. At SDC International Shipping, we're honored to be part of that journey. From your first consultation to your first sunset in Spain, our mission is simple: to make your move easy, secure, and unforgettable. Ready to start your move? Visit movertospain.com to get your free quote, or call us today at 844-651-7050. Your new life in Spain is waiting, and we'll help you get there.